In this video, I will show you how to create clean professional line charts in Excel, even if you've never done it before. So let's get started. A line chart is a type of graph that connects data points with a straight line. It is perfect for showing how something changes over time, like sales, temperature, or performance. We use line charts when our data has a natural order, most times when it's usually over a time period. For example, tracking monthly expenses, showing temperature changes, or monitoring growth in subscribers or followers. So on display right now is a sample data set. If you want to have access to this data set, please join our community group in the description to have access to this data set and many more data sets. So we have months in one column and sales in another. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that your data is organized like this. The time or categories should always be on the left and the values you want to plot on the right. So you could see that being displayed on my own screen. My month is on the left and my sales is on the right. To insert a line chart, the first thing you need to do is to select your entire data set. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So once that is done, you need to go to the Insert tab. You can find it next to the Home tab. When you're at the Insert tab, you go to the chart category or the chart section, and then you look for the line chart. When you're at the line chart, you select the line chart and then you click OK. So now we're going to be customizing these line charts. We're going to be customizing this line chart, and the first thing we want to work on is the title. So you could rename this title and rename it as probably anything that comes to your mind or anything that suits you. But for this video, we're going to be renaming it as Sales by Month. Once that is done, you could go back to your Home tab and bolden it to make it look better. You could also change the color because it's not exactly as black. You could come here and change the font to any font that you want, and it's looking much better. So if you want to get rid of these horizontal lines that are behind the graph, all you simply need to do is to click on one of them. Once the horizontal lines are selected, you press your delete button. Most people do not like the horizontal lines, but if you like it, you could keep them. You could also format the month section to make it look better. All you have to do is come over here, you right click and you tap on Format Axis. So once you're there, you will see a lot of options. You could change it to suit how you want your line chart to appear. So we are going to go to the text section, and the first thing we want to do is to change the color to look darker. So once that is done, you could also come over to the Home tab and bolden it, increase the value, or do whatever you want to do. Just play around your line chart. You can do the same thing for the data that are on the side of it too. So do well to know that if you want your line chart to look spectacular, you want to keep a uniform font for everything. So I'm going to be changing this so that they could have a uniform font. That will make your data look more spectacular. So this blue color, if you want to change it, all you have to do is come over here. You'd see this color icon. You click on it. You come to color and you select any color of your choice. And there we have it. Any color that comes to your mind, just select it and you could use it for your line chart. If you also want to add your axis title, for example, the sales, you want to add it so that people will know that this value represents sales, you could go and add it at this text option. You just need to click on the graph and then you click on this cross icon that represents the chart elements, and then you enable your axis title. You also want to enable your data labels. You could also do that. Your data table, your error bar, your legend, your thread line, and whatsoever. However you want to customize your line chart, you could go ahead and customize it. So this is how you can create a clean, effective line chart in Excel. Like this video if this helps you. Subscribe for more Excel and data tutorials. Comment below if you want me to cover pie charts or any other feature in Excel. Also comment below if you love this video or you want me to make any videos to your specification.